Hello friends, today I will represent the number systems. Basically the number system, we know that it is used to store the information in the computer system. When we give the definition of the number system, first is the number system define a set of values used to represent the quantities. For representing the information in the digital system, we use the number system. Basically the number system defined into four category. Number one is the binary number system, number two is decimal number system, number third is a hexadecimal number system, fourth is octal number system. First is binary number system. The binary number system is a base 2 number system, so it carries only two digits, either 0 or 1, and each digit is known as a bit. The collection of 4 bit is known as a nibble, where is a collection of 8 bit is known as a byte. Here we give the example of binary number base to represent that this is a binary number. Now, if any binary number, the rightmost digit is called the least significant bit, that is called LSB, this is the rightmost bit, and the leftmost digit is known as the most significant bit, that is the MSB. Now, number 2 is the decimal number system. The decimal number system is system where base is 10 and it contains value from 0 to 9. So, it means that this means any numerical quantity can be represented using these 10 digits. Number 3 is the octal number system. The octal number system has 8 base, it means it contains value from 0 to 7 and there are only 8 possible digits value to represent a number. With the help of any 3 bits, we can represent octal number as following. Okay. We know that 8421 code. So, here we represent octal number. So, we require only 3 bit. So, there is no requirement of 8. So, we remove this 8. For represent the 0, we put 0, 0, 0, 0. For the 1, the requirement will be 0, 0, 1. For 2, the requirement will be 0, 1, 0. So, which digit is required, that will be on, and on will be represented by the 1. Similarly, when we represent 7, all the digit represent as a on, 1, 1, 1, and the sum of all digits 4 plus 2 plus 1, there will be 7. Here we represent octal number with the help of 8 base. Now, hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system, it contains base 16. It means it have total 16 symbols, 0 to 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here 10 to 15 number is represented by alphabets A, B, C, D, E and F respectively. These used for representing a particular number. For represent the hexadecimal number, we require 4 bits for representing a number in the hexadecimal number. Here we represent binary number that represent the hexadecimal number. 4 bit 0, that is 0, again we use 8421, that is 0, then all bit will be 0. If we 1, then 0, 0, 0, 1. If we take 2, then 0, 0, 1, 0. So, that bit required, that bit will be 1. Okay. Next, again further it is defined again hexadecimal 9, this is a 10. In the hexadecimal again A is represent 10, B is represent 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. And here we use the example of hexadecimal number system. So, these are the basic about the number system. Now, we use how to convert one base to another base. So, number system conversion. Here first is decimal number to another number system. Now, the decimal number system can be integer or a floating point integer. When the decimal number is a floating point integer, then we convert both part, integer part and fractional part of the decimal number. in the isolated form. For example, the decimal can be this form or it can be this form. We can solve both of them. If there is a two part, then first we solve this part, then if this then second solve this second part. Okay. Now first is decimal to binary. If we convert any decimal number system, into other decimal other system, then the decimal number system divided by this base of other system. So here we use decimal to binary. So here decimal number system is divided by binary base. So 25 is a decimal number system and it is converted into binary, and where binary base is 2. So 2, and we calculate the remainder also. So here 2 divide 25, 2 12s are 24, remainder will be 1, 2 6 are 12, remainder will be 0, 2 3s are 6, remainder will be 0, last 2 1s are 2, remainder will be 1, and 1 is not equal or greater than 2, so is less than 2, so itself remainder will be 1. And in the remainder, the first remainder known as LSB, least significant bit, whereas the last known as MSB, and the answer written as from MSB to LSB. So here MSB is first, then 1 0 0, then 1. So answer will be 1 1 0 0 1, or we can say the answer will be from bottom to top. Now we take another example. There is a decimal number which have two parts, integer part as well as fractional part. First we solve this integer part as previously, then after that we solve this fractional part. So when we solve the integer part, we again take the remainder 2. How to calculate here? 2 7 ja 14, 2 6 ja 12, remainder will be 0. Again 2 3 ja 6, 2 8 ja 16, remainder will be 0. So up to last we calculate all these reminders. So first remainder will be known as LSB and last will be known as MSB, and the answer will be written as from bottom to top as 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 and in form of binary. Now we calculate the second portion, that is a fraction part. How we calculate? We calculate it by multiply it into 2. Why we multiply by 2? Because I want to convert it into binary number. If we convert it into octal, then it convert into it multiply by the 8. So 0.25 is multiplied by 2, the result will be 0.50. There is no integer part, so there will be carry will be 0 or integer will be 0. When we 0.50 multiply by 2, then we result 1.0. So there is integer part is 1, then fractional part is 0, the result will be 0 for the fractional part, and 1 is integer part. When we get the integer, then we stop process here. And how we write the answer? We write the answer for the fraction part from top to bottom. From MSB is for this here, this first, and the LSB is the last digit, and the answer will be right as top to bottom. So 0 and 1, and the combined answer will be this one plus this one. Now decimal to octal. Again, if we want to convert decimal number into octal, we divide the decimal number with the base of octal number, or we say that they divide by the 8. Okay, here you see that how it decimal number convert into octal number. There is a decimal number is 33. I want to convert into octal. So again it divide by 8. 8 for the 32. Remainder will be 1. Now 8 is not divided by 4. So remainder again 4. The answer will be 41. Now decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal to hexadecimal, how it convert? Again we use base 16, that is divide the decimal number. Decimal number here is 423. So we divide is by the 16 and we get the remainder 7A1, and the answer will be, again we say that bottom to top will be 1A7. Now second is a binary to another number system. So first is a binary to decimal. We start from method, they start from the multiply these bits of the binary number with the corresponding positional weights, and the lastly we add all these products. To how we calculate the corresponding positional weights? We count the number of bit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we multiply each bit with the 2 raised to power n minus 1 up to 2 raised to power n minus n. Here n is equals to 5, the number of digits 5, the number of bits is 5. So we multiply each bit 1 into 2 raised to power n minus 1. 1 into 2 raised to power n minus 1 means n minus 1, and 5 minus 1, 2 raised to the 4 plus 0. 0 is multiplied by n minus 2, that means n minus 2, and 4 minus 1, that is 3. Again 1 into multiply n minus 3, then 2 to the power 2 up to n minus n. So we calculate the value 22. So this is the method how we convert binary number into decimal number. Now here we convert binary number into octal conversion. The base of number of binaries and octal are 2 and 8 respectively. Now what is the procedure? We know that the octal is a combination of 3 bits. So in the first step we have to make the pair of 3 bits on both sides of the binary point. If there will be 1 or 2 bit left in the pair of 3 bits, we add to required number of 0 on the extreme sides. And in the second step we write the octal digits corresponding to each pair. For example, we take this example for convert this binary number in the octal number. We take the pair from the integer part from right to left, and for the fraction part from left to right. So firstly we make the pair of 3 bits on the both side of the binary point. We take the 1 1 0. 1 1 0 is the first pair, again 1 1 0, next 1 0 1 is the next pair, again 0 1 1 is the next pair, and last 1 1 1 is the next pair. And for the fractional part we start from left to right. 0 0 1, 0 0 1 is the first pair and 1 is left only single bit. So we require extra 2 bits here, that is add here. Now we write the corresponding value for this binary number 111. 111 means we say that is 7. 110 it means 6. Again we know that 421 code 111 11 it means 7. 110 it means 4 plus 2, this is 6. So how it is calculated? Calculated from this 421 code. So and 100 it means 4, and 0 point after the point 001 it means 001, that means 1. So this is the conversion from binary to octal conversion. Next is binary to hexadecimal. It is the same procedure from the octal. Here we make the group of 4 bits, as previously we make the group of 3 bits, here we make the group of 4 bits. Same procedure. Step number first we have to make the pair of 4 bits. In the second step we write the hexadecimal digits corresponding to each pair. So, for this example, we make the group of 4 bit 1101, 1101, that is one pair. After that 0101, 0101 second pair, then 101, that is 101, only this left. So, we require a 4 bit, so 0 is extra added here. Now, corresponding value of this binary number 0101, that means 5, 1010, that means A, and 1011, that means B, 0011, that means 3. Again with the help of 8421 code 0101, that means 4 plus 1, that means 5. So, with the help of 8421 code we can calculate the answer of this particular binary number. Next. Now, we take the third slides, that means octal to other number system. First is we convert the octal into decimal number. So, similarly procedure, when we convert the binary into octal, we same procedure here. We multiply the each number with the weighted code of the 8. Here there are 3 digits. So, 1 is multiplied by 8 to the power n minus 1, n is number of bit 3, to n minus 1 2. So, 1 is multiplied by 1 into 8 to the power 2 plus 5 multiplied by 8 minus 8 to the power n minus 2. Through 2 is multiplied by 2 into 8 to the power n minus n, and this is 0.25. The point will be multiplied by 0, n minus 0 to n minus n with the negative point. 2 into 8 to the power minus 1, 5 into 8 to the power minus 2, and after the calculation we get that 106.328125. So, decimal number of the octal number is this. Now, we convert octal to binary conversion. Again we write the 3 bit equivalent of binary digit for 152, again 421 code. The 1 is written as 001, 001, 5 is written as 101, so 101, 2 is written as 010, 010, again 2, 010, and 5 is 101, and the corresponding value of this binary number is similarly same for the binary. If we want to convert the binary, then answer will be the same. Next, octal to hexadecimal conversion. Now, we find the binary equivalent of the number again, and we may have to make the pair of 4 bits on the both side of the binary point. If there will be in 1 or 2 or 3 bits left in the pair of 4 bits, we should add the required number of 0 on the extreme side and write the hexadecimal digits corresponding to each pair. For example, we take the 152.25, we in the step first we take the binary number of this octal number, again 1 is represented in the 001 and 5, 101, 2, again with the help of 421 code 1, again we see that 1 means 0 0, sorry 001, so 001. Now 5, 101, 5 will be 101, again 2 will be 010, 2 will be 010, point 2 again 0 1 0 2 1 0 1 is 5. Now we make the pair of 4 bits. After this calculation we make the 4 bits group and we get that there is 3 bits left here and 2 bits left here. So we add the extra bit here and now the corresponding value of this will be 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 and this will be same and this will be same. So after the calculate value for 0 will be again 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 means with the help of 421 8421 code 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 that will be 6 1 0 1 0 means 1 0 1 0 means that will be 10 and in the hexadecimal 10 represented by A, that is 6A point 54 5 0 1 0 that means 0 1 0 that means that is will 5 and 4 means 0 1 0 0. So this is the calculation of octal to hexadecimal conversion. Okay, our last topic is the hexadecimal to other number system. Now we convert the hexadecimal into the decimal conversion. So here we take the example. Here is a 152A.2516. So the step is 1. We multiply each digit of 152A.25 with this respective positional weights, and last we add all these product of all bits with this weights. How we calculate this? Again positional weight sixteen power n minus 1 to 16 power n minus n. We multiply each number with 16 power n minus 1 to 16 power n minus n. So here we multiply 1 into 16 power n minus 1, where what is n? N is the number of digits. So here digit is 1 2 3 4, n minus 1 16 power 4 minus 1, that means 16 power 3. 1 is multiplied by 16 by 3 plus 5 is multiplied by 16 power n minus 2, that means 16 power 2. Similarly A is 2 is multiplied by 16 power n minus 3, so 16 power 1, and again A is multiplied 16 power n minus n minus n, that means 4 minus 4, that will be 0. And after the fraction it will be start from negative point 2 into multiply by 16 minus 1, 5 is multiplied by 16 minus 2 up to minus n. Now after the calculation we get the result 5418.14453.125. So the decimal number of hexadecimal number is this 5418.14453.125. Now we take the hexadecimal to binary conversion. The process of converting the hexadecimal to binary is the reversing process of binary to hexadecimal. So we write the 4-bit binary code of each hexadecimal number digits. So here for this example we write the 4-bit binary digits for 1, 5, 8, 2 and 5. The 4-bit number for 1 is written as 0001. The 4-bit number for 5 is written as 0101. Again we see that with the help of 8421, 5 is written as 0101, 0101. 2 is written as 0010, 0010. Again 2 is written as 0010 and 5 written as 0101. So the binary equivalent of this hexadecimal number is this. Now because we convert this binary number to same, the result will be same and the answer will be same. There is no further requirement or convert this